2018 Ford F-150 with less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This truck makes room for the whole family. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.